Hello guys, in this video you will learn how to create a stable token. A stable token like USDT. Actually, a stable token doesn't mean it will equal $1. You can create a stable token equal 1 cent, 10 cents, 25 cents or whatever you like. For some reason you want to create a token equal 25 cents. You can do that. It will be a fixed price and all the time equal 25 cents. Okay, and of course you can create a token equal $1 or more, $1.55 for example. Whatever you like, you can create a stable token, a token with a fixed price, never change. Okay, how to do that? Actually, you can do that using 0x Factory. Go to 0xfactory.com, you will find the link in the video description, or you can go to Google and search for 0x Factory. You will find 0xfactory.com. Here, from the main menu, click Stable Token. Here in the Stable Token page, you will find three parts. The first part, creating the token itself. Actually, the stable token is just a standard token. Nothing else. It is not a really special token. It is just a standard token. This token doesn't have tags, doesn't have any functions. Just a standard token. If you have a contract code, you can deploy it by yourself, or if you don't have, you can create the stable token here from 0x Factory. Okay, this will be the first step. The second step is the creating the stable swap contract. To make your token swap, you need a swap contract. By the end of this lesson, you will create a website like that, like this one. A stable token can exchange with USDT, whatever in rate 1-to-1 or 1-to-5 or whatever you want, depending on your token fixed price. For example, this token USDX, this is my token. This token equal $1. So I can swap 16 USDT with 16 USDX. Okay, your token can be the same. Okay, let's back again to 0xfactory.com. The second step, you will create a stable swap contract. We will learn everything on this video. The last step, downloading the user interface or the website script, this website script, and do some configuration, and after that upload the website. You can do this by yourself. If you need help or you don't have a time to do that, you can contact me on Telegram. I will do everything for you, the token and the swap website, for only $100. If you like to do it by yourself, you can continue watching the video. Okay, let's start the first part, the first step. The first step is creating the token itself. Here you will type the token. For example, we will create a token, a fixed or stable token named 1 cent or cent coin. Cent coin equal 1 cent. Okay, how to do that? First, we need to create a standard token. My token will be cent token. Okay, this token will equal 1 cent in the future, I mean. Okay, the symbol will be cent. Okay, the supply, whatever you like, I will make it 1 billion for example, or 100 billion. Okay, I will create 100 billion of 1 cent token or cent token. Okay, and finally the owner wallet. Okay, let's copy my wallet and paste it here. This is my wallet. Okay, so this is the token details. Token name, cent coin, symbol, cent, supply, 100 billion, and owner wallet, my wallet. After that, click create token. Okay, this need 0.02 BNB. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, the creation fee is 0.02 BNB, about $11, I think. Okay, if you have this amount, the MetaMask will pop up to ask you to confirm the transaction. Just click confirm the transaction, your token will be created. Just wait a few seconds and hear from the activity how to get the created token. From the activity tab, here you will find activity tab. on your MetaMask, scroll down until find interaction or contract interaction. You'll be already 0.02 BNB. Okay, click this one and click view on block explorer. The BSS scan will open. You will find here your token on this part of the page. Click this is your token. You will find here your token, and this is the contract of your token because you will need it in the next step. Okay, now we created the token, the stable token itself. Okay, let's move to the next step. The next step, creating the stable swap contract. To make your token stable, you need a swap website like that. To make the swap website like that working, you need a swap contract. Okay, let's create the swap contract or the stable swap contract. What we need the first thing, owner wallet. Okay, let's copy my wallet. Okay. Second step is the stable token contract, the token which I created right now. Okay, open the token page on BSS scan and copy the token contract and paste here the token contract. Here the price in cent. 100 is the default. 100 mean 100 cent, mean $1. Okay, but we want to create a cent coin, mean a coin equal only 1 cent. Okay, so that I will remove this and I will type 1. 1 here mean 1 cent. If you want your token to be 10 cents, okay, just make it 10. If you want your token to equal $2.55, so make it 255. Means your token will be stable and equal $2.55. In our example, we will make a cent coin, so our token will equal 1 cent. So this make this one. And after that, click create a contract. Of course, this needs 0.07 BNB. Okay, this is the creation fee, 0.07 BNB. If you have this amount, MetaMask will pop up and ask you to confirm the transaction. Just click confirm the transaction and wait just about 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, this page will forward you to a next page and will give you the contract, the stable swap contract. Okay, after you get the stable swap contract, let's move to the third step. The third step is downloading the script and make some configuration. Click download to download the stable swap script. Okay, you will download this file, stableswap.zip. Okay, extract this file and open this folder. And here in the images, you can change the token logo, this image, by your own token logo. Okay, of course, your token will have a logo. Replace this image, token logo.png, with your token logo. Okay, and also this is the logo, the main website logo, this one. Replace logo.png with your own logo. Okay, so it will replace here and your token logo will be here. Okay, this is the first thing. The second thing and the most important thing is data.json. Okay, open data.json with any text editor like Notepad, for example. Okay, and let's start do some configuration. Here, swap contract. We will remove this and replace it by our created swap contracts. After we create a stable swap contract, okay, copy it and paste it here on the swap contract. And here our token contract. Go to your token contract and copy the contract of your token and paste it here. And here your token symbol like cent, and the token decimal leave it 18, and here the title appear here, this part. Okay, so we can make it swap USDT with cent. Remove this and type your token symbol like cent. And here's the swap fee. When the user swap between your token and USDT, the user will be a little fee. Okay, this fee equal 0.003 BNB. You can change this value because this value in we. Okay, so this will equal 0.3003 BNB. If you wanted to increase it, it's okay. Decrease it, it's okay. It's up to you. You will receive this swap fee to your wallet, the owner wallet. Okay, the minimum swap, one means $1. Mean the users cannot swap less than $1, at least one USDT. Okay, the owner wallet, this will be the owner wallet you entered here when you created the contract. The wallet you entered here, you have to put it here too. And the price in cents, we make it 1 cent only, make it 1 because we make our token equal 1 cent. After that, save this file and close it. After doing that, just upload all these files to your subdomain. You have to upload this script in a subdomain or main domain, okay, not a folder, like for example swap.yourwebsite.com. Okay, so upload all these files to your subdomain, your website working like this one, and your users able to swap between USDT and your token on the fixed price. Thanks for watching, and I hope a good luck for all.